Now today we have to discuss with regard to the size and growth of India's population. Am I right? आज हमें यही करना है ना, size and growth of India's population. Okay. So now when we are talking about the size and growth of India's population, so this is the data which is given as per the 2011 census. ठीक है, 2011 census है. Why? Because the last census which was conducted in India, it was 2011. Actually, to 2021, the census had to be conducted, but 2021 COVID pandemic was there, so the census was not conducted. As a result, ये सब चीज हुआ. So what it is given here is that according to the 2011 census, the total population of India, it was 121 crores, that is 1.21 billion. ठीक है, and the growth rate of India's population, it has always not been very high. Between 1901 and 1951, the average annual growth rate did not exceed 1.33%. देखो, annual growth rate of population. Annual growth rate of population means by what rate is the population growing. That means if in 2025, if in 2024 the population was 100, then 2025 में the population it grew by 1.33%. समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूं कि 1901 से 1951 the average annual growth rate of population, it was less, it did not exceed 1.33%, and this was a modest rate of growth. Then in 1911 and 1921, there was a negative growth rate of population, that is 0.03% negative tha. And why it was negative? Because 1918 and 1919, India was affected by influenza epidemic, and that influenza epidemic, it killed around 12.5 million persons, or 5% of the total population. ठीक है? And the growth rate of population substantially increased after independence from British rule, growing up to 2.2% 1916 to 61 to 81. And since then, although the annual growth rate has decreased, it remains one of the highest in the developing world. कहने का मतलब अगर हम लोग ये चार्ट को देखें, now this is the population growth rate of India. अगर अभी करंट पॉपुलेशन की बात करो, इफ आई गिव यू द करंट पॉपुलेशन as per 2025, it is 1.41 billion. ठीक है, it's 1.41 billion. ये आपका करंट पॉपुलेशन है, approximately 1.41 billion. And 2011, the population, it was 1.2 billion. ठीक है, अगर इसको बिलियन में लिखो तो 1.21 बिलियन. ठीक है, और इफ यू राइट इट इन एग्जैक्ट नंबर्स इन इंडियन वैल्यूज तो ये हो जाएगा 121 करोड़. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 141 करोड़. अभी थोड़ा सा बदल गया होगा. ठीक है, नाउ दिस इज द चार्ट विच इज एक्चुअली टेलिंग अस एवरीथिंग. Now this chart, it says that 1901 से लेकर 1950 तक, 1901 से लेकर, मतलब अगर हिस्टोरिकल, यू कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस, historical population growth. Now, what was the historical population growth? 1901 to 1950. 1901 to 1950 या 51, इसमें एवरेज annual population growth rate was 1.33%. Remember it, MCQs के लिए ये important है everyone. Then we can say that 1911 to 1921, 1911 to 1921, negative population growth rate, that is minus 0.3. ठीक है, ये देखो माइनस 0.03, ये देखो माइनस 0.03 occurred. And why did it occur? It occurred due to influenza epidemic in India in 1918-19, which killed 1918-19, which killed 12.5 million people. ठीक है, which killed 12.5 million people. और ये 12.5 million people, it was 5% of total population of India. That means उस समय का इंडिया का 5% पॉपुलेशन था. ठीक है, that is what is here. Then after that comes post-independence. Post-independence means we are going to look after 1961 to 1981. So post-independence, and in this post-independence, we can say 1961 to 81, the growth rate of population, ठीक है, देखो, the growth rate of population, it increased by 2.22%. It growth rate of population increased to 2.22%. ये देखो 2.22% को इंक्रीज कर गया. मतलब it was earlier, it was 1.33%, and that has increased to how much? 2.22%. ठीक है, 2.22%. And after 1981, the average annual growth rate, it has decreased, but still we can say it is highest as compared to the developing countries. ठीक है, that is recent years, that is after 1981, the average annual growth rate has decreased, but still high, but still high as compared to other developing countries. ठीक है, it's still high as compared to other developing countries. If you are not able to see it, what I'll do, इसको थोड़ा सा इधर मूव कर देता हूं, अब आपको दिख रहा होगा. ठीक है, एंड देन व्हाट आई विल डू, इसको थोड़ा सा छोटा करके इसको ऊपर कर देता हूं. ठीक है, इट्स विजिबल नाउ टू एवरीवन. आई गेस नाउ थिंग्स आर विजिबल. और इसको यहां कर देते हैं सो दैट ओनली, अरे रे 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 रे. Okay, now, ठीक है. So recent years, that is after 1981, the average annual growth rate has decreased, but still it's high as compared to other developing countries. But still high as compared to other developing countries. Yes, Bimor, Preet and others, please tell me, is it clear, everyone? ठीक है. Now, इससे पहले what we are seeing is that chart 1 shows comparative movement of crude birth and death rate. ठीक है, it's showing comparative movement of, you can say, crude birth and death rates. कोई बता सकता है ये क्रूड जो बर्थ रेट है और ये जो क्रूड आपका डेथ रेट है, ये एक्चुअली होता क्या है? देखो, व्हेन आई से क्रूड बर्थ रेट, आई विल गिव यू द फॉर्मूला फॉर द क्रूड बर्थ रेट. Please remember, ठीक है, here I am giving you the formula for crude birth rate. देखो, क्रूड बर्थ रेट का जो फॉर्मूला है, इट इज नथिंग एल्स बट, आई कैन से क्रूड बर्थ रेट का फॉर्मूला लाइव बर्थ in a particular year, live birth in a particular year, ठीक है, divided by the population of the area in the middle of the year multiplied by 100. This is the formula for crude birth rate. So crude birth rate is related to the live children given birth by 1,000 of women. ठीक है, live children given birth by 1,000 of women. That is, suppose 20 children are given birth by women. ठीक है, so the crude birth rate it would be 20. And in the same way, we can say crude death rate. That is the number of deaths per 1,000 people in a given area. इसको क्रूड डेथ रेट भी बोला जाता है एंड इट्स ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज डेथ इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज मोर्टैलिटी. रिमेंबर इट. ठीक है, तो क्रूड डेथ रेट का फॉर्मूला क्या हो जाएगा? इट्स फॉर्मूला विल बी नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स इन अ पर्टिकुलर number of deaths in a particular year, number of deaths in a particular year divided by the population of the area in the middle of the year मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. ये आपका क्रूड डेथ रेट का फॉर्मूला है. सो द क्रूड बर्थ रेट एंड क्रूड डेथ रेट आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेड यू. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स सी हियर व्हाट दे आर सेइंग. दे से दैट सिंस देन, मतलब since then, although the annual growth rate has decreased, it remains one of the highest in the developing country. Chart 1 shows the comparative movement of the, it shows a comparative movement of the crude birth rate and death rate, and the impact of the demographic transition phase is clearly seen in the graph, where they begin to diverge from each other after 1921 to 31. That is, before 1931, both birth rates and death rate were high, whereas after the transition movement, the death rate fell sharply, but the birth rate only fell slightly. ठीक है, that means यहां पे हम बोल सकते हैं कि 1921 is the year of demographic transition. Remember it. Or you can also call it as the year of great divide. Remember it. 1921, it's the year of demographic transition, or the year of great divide. Now this chart, it shows the birth rate and death rate of India from 1901 to 2017. 1901 से लेकर 19, the birth rate is blue and the death rate is red one. ये आपका डेथ रेट है. नाउ डेथ रेट और बर्थ रेट के बीच में आप देखो यहां पे गैप है कितना. But after that, the birth rate and death rate, they coincide with each other. ठीक है, and after that again the death rate जो है वो कम होता जा रहा है and birth rate जो है वो थोड़ा सा मतलब it is also decreasing but at a less rate. So we can say that there was a period that is before 1921 and there was a period after 1921. So we can say that before 1921 the death rate it decreased sharply, ठीक है, और बर्थ रेट भी डिक्लाइन किया, बट देयर वाज अ स्लोअर डिक्लाइन।
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।